Friends, on this video how you can reset your camera. Suppose you have camera, it's not working, camera tapping but it's not opening. So how you can solve this problem? So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like it and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting. After you move, you have to move on camera. After you move on camera, here you can see this setting option. So friends, here you have to click on setting. Okay, so I just tap on setting. When I click on setting, from here you have to scroll on down. You just keep scrolling. Then from here you can see the restore default. So you can restore the defaults, okay, by just click on restore defaults. Okay, so if you want to reset, then just click on restore defaults. Okay, you can reset easily like this. Okay, do you know that from here even the floating shutter, it says add a movable shutter button for extra convenience if you want. This is a smart capture. This is mostly important. Here it says capture smiles. When you activate this icon, automatically it takes photo when people smile. So in the front camera it will not the back camera. It works only the front camera. Okay, so suppose you want to capture through the front camera and there is no one to capture your photos, then you can use through this on this smile and your photo will be captured. Okay, in this mobile phone, it's very nice. And this gesture control through the palm. Okay, by just showing your palm, it will capture your photos. So this is the main feature settings. I just love it the most. Is the capture smiles. Okay, whenever I smile, my photos used to be captured. Okay, I have finished to use. I used to use every day. If I want to click photos, then you can use it. So I just tell you some settings, important settings that you should know. Okay, this is the important settings that you should know. That's why I told you that it's very nice. Okay, whenever you smile and whenever you show your palm, then it will capture. And friends, how do you feel it? And friends, if you love it, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.